say there are about 30 to 40 employers out here who have all kinds of jobs available. If you're happy at work at a place that believes in the same things you believe in, you'll end up working there a long time.
My name's Remington Plumley. I'm from Pocahontas High School. I've already had interviews with Hytrol, Lexicon, and Best Manufacturing. This is a great way to either further your education or find a job where you can go anywhere.
Draft day is so important to me because when I graduate high school, I want to be able to get out of high school and have a steady job and have steady opportunities.